Okay, so this is going to be the very last video of this unit, and it's basically about things that we should already know. So plugging in / substitution, we use that in order to check to make sure that our equation or inequality is correct, and make sure we have the right value for our variable. And then lastly, the distributive property. We learned the distributive property in 6th grade, but it seems like some people did forget, so I'm just going to go over that again really quick, okay? So let's take a look at number 1. Let's go through the distributive property. So 2x plus 3 is equal to 10. Alright, so this is what we're really doing here. We're saying we have two x plus 3's. There's two of them there. So we have an x plus 3, and then we have another x plus 3. Okay, so we have two x plus 3's, and they're going to be equal to 10. Okay, so how many x's do we actually have? We have two x's. Alright, and then how many constants do we have? We have 3 plus 3, which is equal to 6. So I'm going to go ahead and distribute like we would do it as an algorithm. So 2 times x, you're multiplying the number on the outside by both terms on the inside. So 2 times x is 2x, alright? And then 2 times positive 3 is positive 6, which is equal to 10. So yes, these are the same. So when we distribute, we're basically multiplying the term on the outside with both terms on the inside. You just have to make sure you go ahead and look for whether it's an addition sign or a subtraction sign. So in this case, we could go ahead and solve this. So minus 6, 2x is going to be equal to 4. Divide by 2, x is equal to 2. All right? And if we just go ahead and plug that in, we get 2 and then 4 plus, 2. I'm going to plug in x for 2. 2 plus 3 is going to be equal to 10. 2 plus 3 is 5. And 5 times 2 is in fact equal to 10. So 10 is equal to 10. I've now checked my work. Okay? Let's go ahead and try that with another one. We have 1/3 of x minus 9 is going to be equal to 6. So we'll just go ahead and do the same thing. Take the term on the outside and multiply it by both terms on the inside. So 1/3 of x is 1/3 of x. Remember, of means to multiply. 1/3 of negative 9, 1/3 of negative 9 is equal to negative 3. If you don't believe me, 1/3 times 9 is going to be equal to 9 over 3, which is equal to 3. So 1/3 times x is 1/3 x. 1/3 times negative 9 is negative 3. So it equals 6. We're going to add 3 and then add 3. So 1/3 of x is equal to 9. And then I'm just going to multiply by 3. Is actually multiplying by 3 over 1. But multiply by 3. Multiply by 3. So I have 1x is equal to 27. And if we plug that in, we have 27 minus 9. Alright? And then 27 minus 9 is of course 18. And 1/3 of 18 is going to be equal to 6. Alright? Let's go through the last one. Like I said, this is a really quick video. It says 2x minus 4 is less than 15. I want to know if I plug in 9, will it make the statement true? If I plug in negative 5.5, will it make the statement true? And if I plug in 4, will it make the statement true? Okay? So let's go ahead and see. Let's try 9 first. We have 2 times 9 minus 4 has to be less than 15. Well, 2 times 9 is 18. 18 minus 4 has to be less than 15. So 18 minus 4 is 14. Is 14 less than 15? Yes, 14 is less than 15. So this is true. Okay? So let's go ahead and try another one. Negative 5.5. Okay? So 2 times negative 5.5 minus 4 has to be less than 15. So 2 times negative 5.5 is negative 11. Negative 11 minus 4 has to be less than 15. Negative 11 minus 4 is just negative 11 plus negative 4, which is equal to negative 15. So is negative 15 less than 15? Certainly is. That's true. Alright, now let's go ahead and try our last one. 2 times 4 minus 4 is going to be less than 15. 2 times 4 is 8. 8 minus 4 is 4, which is less than 15. So this is also true. Alright, so it just turns out that all of these are true. But if I were to plug in another number, let's say I plug in 12. Alright? Now at this point we have 2 times 12 minus 4 is less than 15. So 2 times 12 is 24, minus 4, less than 15. 24 minus 4 is 20. Is 20 less than 15? No. So this is a false statement here. Okay? And that's it.